Which of the following does not meet gun safe? A. Shall be able to fully contain firearms and provide for their secure storage. B. Shall have a locking system consisting of at minimum a mechanical or electronic combination lock. C. A gun safe shall be capable of repeated use. D. A gun is always loaded and ready to use. The correct answer is D. A gun is always loaded and ready to use. A gun-safe exterior wall shall be constructed of a minimum gauge-thick steel. A. 9 gauge. B. 12 gauge. C. 15 gauge. D. 19 gauge. The correct answer is B. 12 gauge. The mechanical or electronic combination lock utilized by the safe shall have at least possible combinations: A. 100. B. 1000. C. 10,000. D. 100000. The correct answer is C. 10,000. How many basic gun safety rules are there for gun owners to understand and practice at all times? A. 4. B. 5. C. 6. D. 10. The correct answer is C. 6. What is a safe direction? A. Only point a gun at an object you intend to shoot. B. Point a gun toward yourself or another person. C. An accidental discharge of the gun may not cause injury or damage. D. Keep the gun pointed in the safest possible direction. The correct answer is D. Keep the gun pointed in the safest possible direction. What is it called when you keep your finger off the trigger? A. Responsible firearm use. B. Basic gun safety rules for gun owners. C. Firearm trigger discipline. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Which of the following practice is safe? A. Keep your finger off the trigger. B. Rest your finger on the trigger. C. Moving around with your finger on the trigger. D. Keep your finger on the trigger. The correct answer is A. Keep your finger off the trigger. What are high-risk situations with firearms? A. Accessible firearms in the home. B. Ammunition and firearms stored together. C. Lack of supervision. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. What is firearm safety? A. Proper storage. B. Educate your child. C. Safety devices. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. When you may fire at a target. A. If there is only a movement. B. If you see a different color sound. C. If you found an unidentifiable shape. D. None of the above. The correct answer is D. None of the above. What is the best way to learn to shoot a pistol? A. By shooting at water. B. By shooting at soft surfaces. C. By shooting at flat or hard surfaces. D. By shooting at shooting range. The correct answer is D. By shooting at shooting range. Which of the following you must wear when shooting a gun? A. Ear and eye protection. B. Hand protection. C. Chest protection. D. All of the above. The correct answer is A. Ear and eye protection. According to pursuant to California Penal Code Section 25610, who can transport a handgun? A. A United States citizen over 18 years of age. B. A citizen who is temporarily in California. C. A citizen who resides in California. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. In California, you may transport by motor vehicle any handgun provided it is A. Loaded and locked. B. Unloaded and locked. C. Unloaded and secured in the glove compartment. D. Unloaded and hidden in utility compartment. The correct answer is B. Unloaded and locked. Which of the following is known as non-concealable firearms? A. Handgun. B. Assault weapons. C. Shotguns and rifles. D. All of the above. The correct answer is C. Shotguns and rifles. Which of the following types of firearms not required to be transported in a locked container? A. Shotguns and rifles. B. Pistols. C. Revolvers. D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Shotguns and rifles. California Penal Code Section 25400. Which of the following firearms must be unloaded while they are being transported? A. Shotguns and rifles. B. Pistols. C. Revolvers. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Can I give a firearm to my adult child? Can she give it back to me later? A. Yes. B. No. C. Dealer transfer is required. D. Handgun safety certificate is required. The correct answer is A. Yes. If the firearm is a handgun, the recipient must obtain a handgun safety certificate prior to taking possession. How long do I have to wait to buy another handgun? A. One handgun in any 10-day period. B. One handgun in any 14-day period. C. One handgun in any 28-day period. D. One handgun in any 30-day period. The correct answer is D. One handgun in any 30-day period. May I carry a concealed firearm in California? A. Yes. B. No. C. Unless you have a valid carry concealed weapon (CCW) license. D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Unless you have a valid carry concealed weapon (CCW) license. Keep your finger off the trigger until you are ready to shoot. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Avoid using ammunition that appears to be corroded. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. A failure of the cartridge to fire after the primer has been struck by the firing pin is called A. Misfire. B. Hang fire. The correct answer is A. Misfire. A perceptible delay in the ignition of a cartridge after the primer has been struck by the firing pin is called A. Hang fire. B. Misfire. The correct answer is A. Hang fire. When a cartridge fails to fire immediately, it will be known at first whether the problem is a misfire or a hang fire. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is B. False. Keep the gun pointed in a safe direction. A. Condition might exist and the cartridge could still fire. A. Hang fire. B. Misfire. The correct answer is A. Hang fire. Squib loads can result in the bullet failing to exit the barrel. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Hang fire is caused by the development of less than normal pressure or velocity after the ignition of the cartridge. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is B. False. If a squib load jam occurs, then you must stop firing immediately. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. If hang fire occurs, then you must open the action of the gun to remove the cartridge. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is B. False.